Investors walk in front of trading boards at a private stock market gallery in Kuala Lumpur, Tuesday, July 24, 2018. Asian markets rose on Tuesday as better-than-expected U.S. corporate earnings and the lack of bad news on trade tensions encouraged investors. AP photo, Vincent Ian, London, AP, a strong round of U.S. corporate earnings, most notably from Google parent Alphabet, helped buoy global stock markets on Tuesday despite some soft economic data that stoked some concerns about the state of the global economy at a time when trade tensions are elevated. Keeping score, in Europe, Germany's DAX rebounded 1.6% to 12,750 while the CAC 40 in France was 1% higher at 5,432. The FTSE 100 index of leading British shares gained 0.9% to 7,726. U.S. stocks were poised for a higher opening with Dow futures and the broader S. corporate earnings. On Monday, Google parent Alphabet reported a profit of $3.2 billion for the 3 months that ended June 30. It booked a $5.1 billion charge to cover a fine levied by European regulators, who have accused Google of unfairly forcing handset makers to take its Chrome, Search and Play Store apps when using its free Android mobile system. Google has said it will appeal the European fine. Alphabet Inc. stock jumped 3.6% in aftermarket trading. Boeing, Facebook, Amazon.com and McDonald's are also due to report results later this week. Analysts tick. After a quiet start, the equity bulls have come charging into the fray, emboldened by Google's figures, said Chris Beauchamp, chief market analyst at IG. Over the past week, markets around the globe have struggled to make much headway, but today this trench warfare appears to be resolving in favor of buyers. Growth slowdown. A closely watched survey is showing that economic growth across the 19-country Eurozone moderated at the start of the third quarter. Financial information firm IHS Markit said Tuesday that its Purchasing Managers Index, a broad gauge of business activity, for the Eurozone eased to 54.3 in July from 54.9 in June. Though still above the 50 mark, that means the economy continues to grow, the firm said. Weakened new order inflows and reduced business expectations of future activity fostered a downbeat picture. Meanwhile, another suggested that Japanese manufacturing is slowing. The flash market, Nikkei Purchasing Managers Index fell to 51.6 in July from a final 53.0 in June, a 20-month low. The downbeat numbers could alleviate pressure on Japan's central bank to roll back its massive monetary stimulus policy. Tuesday, Japan's Nikkei 225 gained 0.5% to 22,510.48. South Korea's Kospi added 0.5% to 2,280.20. Hong Kong's Hang Seng jumped 1.4% to 28,662.57. The Shanghai Composite Index climbed 1.6% to 2,905.56. Australia's S. crude added 35 cents to $68.24 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained 16 cents to $73.22. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.